Well, here starts the interesting bit. Hopefully get to Santa Fe before the car explodes or something. Or we get attacked by bandits, what?
Wouldn't guarantee it.
Wouldn't guarantee it. Welcome to the exciting episode.
This is the customary signal out here.
Oh, a little bit afraid.
Yeah, we're on a scary bit now. This is like the last hour of road.
Yeah.
What was it they saw, pups? Yeah.
This is a family of pigs ripping up a snake.
Oh, okay, cool.
They call it the road of death, if you're lucky.
Do they? Death if you're lucky.
The road of death and no return, and snakes.
It's the shiniest, reddest boy in town. Jesus, oh my god. And I'm the only member of the family with their priorities out of whack enough to be walking around the house staring at a camera. Oh, okay. These bad boys have been, they stank out a whole hotel room in about 5 minutes. Yeah.
They're going on the line to keep the tigers away.
Right, so this is our gaff anyway. It's very pleasant indeed. We've got a hammock here. Hammocks are nice. And a view. Alright, but we're not going to worry too much about animals rocking up because we have these.
I thought we might put them up the other end of it. Because we're going to want to socialise here, aren't we? It's an hour's drive from any form of
shop
or stuff going on.
Anything like that. And you saw the drive. You heard the stories of the drive. But it's quite nice.
Oh, heaven on earth.
There's a thing in the house, an immaculous.
It's a flying stick, it actually is.
Alright, we've got an idea on it. Call me Gerald Durrell, call me David Attenborough.
Hell, we have a flying stick thing. Okay,
It really is a flying stick.
fucking weird.
Yeah.
It's like Scorpion airborne. No, don't do that, because how are you going to keep
You're going to anger it.
Oh, you've got Maynard's stick pissed off
Okay, I
now.
need a
Oh,
thing.
great.
Yeah, no, you should get the thing before you get your armpit extended up with a Maynard stick angle.
Yeah, stick. I need a bit of
Oh, he's
Can you
angry.
feel it banging against
Yes,
the
I
glass?
can.
It's going to cut through the glass like that
Yeah,
thing
exactly.
did in
So
Men in
it's a
Black.
barrier.
Anger.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Sorry, can you just see who's got this?
Yeah, video evidence.
Screw that as a Maynard stick. Oh Christ, it's going to be straight back in with friends. Cheesy beans,
Very nice, very nice.
picked from
did
Santa
it.
Fe de Vergauras, Panama, which is where we are.
We could have told everyone we did it with our bare hands, but
Yeah, unpackaged it with
And
our
then-
bare packaging machine.
yeah, bare packaging machine fun.
Yeah.
4D, y'all.
Black gold.
That's what they say. I thought it was oil.
Yeah, it is oil, but you haven't
So
tasted
it's-
my coffee recently.
Very fair.
Oh, wow, look.
No, sí, yo sé. Bueno, lo deja ahí.
Turns out we needed the coffee because we decided where we were originally wasn't quite sort of we're going to die by tarantula enough, if the umbrella doesn't get me first. So we've come somewhere a little bit more we're going to die by tarantula, which is a wooden hut. It's a wooden hut in the middle of nowhere.
I'll show you.
That's our hut. Yeah, it's rainy. We're in a rainforest.
What?
What
It just
more
got
can we
harder.
say? It just got rain harder.
Rain harder.
Genuinely, we don't have like electricity or anything, so the vlog might cut off a little bit unexpectedly.
Can we even hear us over the rain?
Probably not. And I'm getting soaking wet, and there's an umbrella on my face.
Ta-da!
Oh, sorry, I'll come here a little bit so I can see you. What do you think? You're a big fan?
I'm very pleased to be here for one night. I don't really want to stay any longer than that.
One last little bit of jungle excitement is trying to remove some of the general nastiness that's built up through living in Panamanian rainforest, outback, all of this. You know, it'd be nice to have a shower. And this isn't just going to go on to a it's about to rain joke. The thing is, around here, this is the shower. So let's have a look. You can see just up here, that's our shower. Ow. Something just bit. Sorry. It's a little bit exposed here. A little bit, lots of things biting my feet. I might want some hands free. We're gonna have a quick shower. Quick shower by the look of the many animals that are chilling by the shower. And yeah, I mean, look at this guy. It's hard to film. Ow! So many. It's not funny! You know, I'm just gonna go. It's not funny! I just got bit by a tick! It's not. How do I know? Because there was a tick on my leg and then it hurt.
So why is it still sucking your blood out?
Because I bit it back. Oh, I'm covered in. Oh, okay, I'm going to make this quick. That was lovely. That was really nice. I've only got bit maybe 50 times by ants of all types. I really hope they, these jabs work, because, okay. Hey, today we chef. Welcome to Chefing in the Jungle. For the meal we have boiled water and surprise.
Oh yeah, baby! The ritual broiling of the ants.
Look, there's so many ants. Ooh, not anymore. Oh, the salt's it's actually probably cocaine, isn't it?
Kinda lumpy. Sal rosada, pink salt, Colombia special. Nice, but don't tell the policeman.
It makes food taste so good you forget the food.
You eat it in a hurry.
This is one of the times when I am pleased to be vegetarian, because if we were trying to chef up something meat here, we'd have so many different flavours of salmonella. Look at that. We've almost even chopped some of these vegetables. Is it good? Is it edible? Does it taste of arachnid?
No.
Excellent.
Not fully.
Not too much extra protein in this one then.
No.
What does dog think? Go. Woof. We've made a new friend. Welcome to the night time in the jungle. Oh my lord.
What is it? Oh god, that is a big spider.
Oh, is it active?
Yeah, it's fallen.
This man is hardcore. He's just sleeping outside in a net, especially after our little friend that we've made. Anyway, night Luigi.
Night Luigi.
Jeez.
Michael Jordan brake lights.
That's literally it. That's all the excitement. Look at him. Look. Oh, stop again. Okay.
I've decided that we haven't actually seen enough things that can kill us.
Yeah.
So apparently the best way to do that is to go into the middle of the jungle
Yeah.
at night time. So it's been nice knowing you, Will.
Yeah.
Try and find spiders.
God, I just tried to film how dark it was. Well, I'll put it in low light mode so you can see a bit of what's going on.
Small cricket.
noisy.
Very noisy. Beautiful though. Look at that.
Look at the reflection.
We found a tarantula, baby. Mama, you were a bit spooked about that. I can't lie. Beforehand,
Not
we all
massively,
were.
to be fair.
Okay.
I arranged it.
I was trying to set up this narrative, Mama.
Yeah,
I was
but
trying to
don't
be
blame
like,
it on
yeah,
me.
okay. Alright, Pops, you were quite spooked about that.
I was bricking it.
It was just brilliant.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was excellent.
Fruit bats.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I saw a lot more than I expected to, actually.
Cool.
It was a bit of a surprise,
You never
actually,
do
how
know
much
with
stuff.
nature, do you?
We just had to stop the car because holy cow. Oh my lord. There's yeah. That's a big unit. That's what we call in the trade a big unit.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Pick it up. My granddad. You probably better get back in the car, come on.
Yeah, before it kills one of us. This week on What Have We Found? What have we found?
A little spicy number that I'm just going to put in.
Better homemade Nando's.
Yeah.
With my rice
Yeah.
and my.
But you know how much we like Nando's. Taste test.
Ooh.
I have been heavily duped. The whole rest of the family knew we were coming somewhere nice. Even
Like everyone. All of your cousins.
even
and
that.
everyone.
Even my cousins.
Yeah.
All the people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jackson knew.
Ramsey knew.
So in pretty.
Cosmo knew.
Everyone knew. In a bit of a contrast to our little hut last week,
Yeah.
our next swap is altogether rather nice. So yeah, let's have a look around. Okay. Damn. Hello, welcome to Colombia. We're not even in Colombia. Anyway, that's pretty much that. Tomorrow we're going to be heading out for back to Panama City. There's a bit of a journey before that. Anyway, in a bit. 3 hour baby. Okay. What do you do, American? No, but what we should do? I am going to go and buy some aloe because quite frankly, the boys deserve it. Being away for some time. So I have to now. Oh my god. Mama, where do I even start? Suddenly, we're done. It kind of done. We've done the obligatory hotel breakfast where you eat for like 8 people. So I feel like I'm gonna explode. Things not to say when you're going on a plane. It's gonna be exciting stopping off at Toronto. Mostly because we can get peanut butter M&Ms. That's the best thing about that, to be honest. I need to get packed up. I've got like 5 minutes. All I've been doing is talking to the camera. I guess I'll see you in Tokyo Airport.
Look what we got.
So we can finish the vlog now. This is the only reason we actually came to Panama, so we could go via Toronto and get peanut butter M&Ms. This is seeming like an ad now, isn't it? Goodbye from Panama. Goodbye from Toronto. Goodbye from I'm very tired already. Goodbye
Only
from,
got a 7-hour flight now.
goodbye from the land of jet lag.
Bye.
What's goodbye in Spanish?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.